आदित्य अशोक का नाम जब आपने न्यूजीलैंड प्लेइंग 11 में देखा होगा तो पक्का सोचा होगा कि अरे ये तो इंडियन है। सही सोचा, उनका इंडिया से एक बहुत स्पेशल कनेक्ट है। Born in Vellore, Tamil Nadu, Aditya shifted to New Zealand when he was just 4 years old. But roots कभी छूटती नहीं। उनकी bowling arm पर लिखा है यह वल्ली तन्नी वली, which means my way is a unique way. Not just ink, but an emotion for him, as it is a dialogue from the last movie he watched with his grandfather, Padayappa. Needless to say, Aditya भी रजनी के fan हैं। Ashok came up through New Zealand's age group system, and in the 2020 Under-19 World Cup, he represented the Kiwi nation in 5 games, picking up 4 wickets. Post that, he toiled in domestic cricket. No hype, just hard work. A 7-wicket haul in the 2023 Plunket Shield caught eyes. Then came the Young Cricketer of the Year award, and what followed was ODI and T20 international call-up. But so did a major injury. But he made his return to the national side for the 3-match ODI series against India. मगर वो इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि इश सोदी और मिचेल सैंटर जैसे स्पिनर्स इंजर्ड थे. And not to forget, he trained for this India series at the CSK Academy, training on Indian soil, gearing up to face India, wearing a New Zealand jersey with Tamil words linked on his arm. Cricket doesn't get more global or more poetic than this.